In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Login to your Lovable app. 2026 guide will walk through setting up your app on Google Cloud, connecting Google as an iYouth provider in Supabase, and then adding a polished sign-in with Google button inside your Lovable project. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along confidently and avoid common setup snags. Start by opening the Google Cloud Console. From the left-hand menu, go to APIs and Services, then open the OAuth consent screen. This is where you tell Google who your app is and how it will request user permissions. Click Get Started to begin. Fill out your app information carefully. Add a recognizable app name, a user support email, and a developer contact email you actually monitor. If you have a logo and an app domain, include those for a more professional experience. Choose the right user type for your situation. External is typical when end users outside your organization will sign in. Save and continue through the configuration. The goal is to give Google enough context to display a trustworthy consent prompt when users authenticate. Now switch over to your Supabase project. Open the dashboard, go to Authentication, then Sign In and Providers. Find Google and open its settings. Enable Google as a provider, then paste in the OAuth client ID and client secret you created in Google Cloud. A quick but crucial tip: make sure the redirect URL shown in Supabase is also added as an authorized redirect URI in your Google Cloud OAuth credentials. If they don't match exactly, the sign-in flow will fail. Save your changes in Supabase after everything is in place. Head back to your Lovable project and add a sign-in with Google button to your login screen or onboarding flow. Connect that button to your Supabase authentication by triggering Google as the provider. Set your post-authentication destination so users land on the right page after they sign in, like a dashboard or home screen. Before wrapping up, do a quick test. If your Google consent screen is still in testing, make sure the account you're using is allowed to sign in. If you run into errors, double-check the OAuth consent details, the client ID and secret in Supabase, and the redirect URI configuration. Changes on Google Cloud can take a minute to propagate, so give it a moment and try again, and that's it. You've added Google Login to your Lovable app using Supabase. Congratulations.